It needs too much qualification.
Just the qualification or something else also? Just the qualification or something else also? Not only the qualification?
It's only the qualification. What more? It's a wonderful job. I think what dentists manage to do is to make you so confident about your teeth and about your smile. It actually puts a smile on your own face and on other people's faces. And what more do you want than to see happy people?
Do you take care of yourself like you take care of your teeth? Like what I'm trying to say.
You mean, do I take care of my teeth the way I take care of myself? That's what you mean. Absolutely. I'm someone who's always believed in being physically fit and healthy. And for me, my oral care is an extension of that. A lot of people neglect their teeth. They neglect oral hygiene. But I think it's as important as the food that you eat or the way, like going to a gym is important to a lot of people. And I think oral care has to be as important.
Okay, I just wanted to ask one question. There are many people who think walking is very good for their health. What do you think about that? Walking. Yeah, going for walks.
Sure, absolutely.
Can you tell me, like, do you go for walks? Do you prefer
I don't. I mean, I'm not someone who walks very often, but that's because I go to a gym. But in fact, for people who come to me and say, you know, we want to try and lose weight or we want to be physically fit, what do? But we have very busy and hectic lifestyles. I always say that even a 20-minute brisk walk is more than enough. You know, basic things like climbing up and down the stairs, going for a walk around your building, or walking to your workplace if you live close by. Most definitely, I think it's a great form of cardio. There's no risk of injury, and you know, you breathe in fresh air, and it makes you feel good.
Can we? दीपिका, इंडस्ट्री में यहाँ बात हो रही है स्माइल की, यहाँ बात हो रही है दांतों की. Whom do you think is the best smile in the industry? Actress और actor दोनों बताइए.
I think for me, Shah Rukh has the best smile because it's not just about the smile, but it's also the energy that he sort of gives out along with his smile and the dimples that he and I both share.
Actress, Deepika, actress.
Can we just, excuse me.
Actress, best smile. Who's the best actress?
I think we all universally agree it's me.
Yeah. Can we just restrict the question to today's program, please?
किसी मिठाई को अवॉइड नहीं करना चाहिए. You should eat everything as long as you take care of your teeth, as long as you brush regularly, as long as you eat Orbit sugar-free chewing gum every day. Yeah, and as long as you maintain oral hygiene, you can eat absolutely anything.
How important is to chew a gum before you kiss on screen?
Very important.
रामलीला, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस and all, बहुत सारी चीजें आपको.
Can we restrict the film questions, please? Because, please, can we restrict them?
Never. कभी नहीं. In fact, I keep reminders on my phone about going to the dentist every 6 months, and I call my dentist about my appointment before he calls me. And he's always surprised. He's like, you're my only client who calls me up सामने से and says that I have to come for a checkup. Whereas all the other clients, they have to keep following up and saying, listen, you know, it's time for your checkup and you have to come. But it's something that I feel like doing, and it's something that, you know, like I said, I think it's about being healthy and hygienic and feeling good, feeling happy.
Well, this is the last question that we would like to take. The last question.
So please.
Yeah. Sir, can we request to take the photograph later on, please? Sir, can we do it later on, please? Excuse me, this is... Well, thank you, Deepika. That was the last question that we had, and I think Deepika now has to rush back for some important work and a shoot of us. Thank you so much for being here with us. And thank you, Dr. Doble and Dr. Godse. Thank you.